How to link Twitch to EA account. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pipin Mesnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can link your Twitch to EA account. Now I'll be doing it on the browser. It's quite easier there, so I'll be showing you there. So I'm not installing the application. You want to head into your browser on your device, any device that you want. Head into any browser, and what you want to do is you want to type in ea.com/Twitch linking. As you can see on the screen, ea.com/Twitch linking, and simply tap on go. Now once you tap on go, it'll ask you to log into your Twitch account first. In my case, as you can see, it's asking to EA account directly because I've already logged into my Twitch account and it won't ask me to log in back again. So you can only link one Twitch account in a lifetime, so to one. So here you can see the EA account. I'll just log in my EA account real quick as well, and once you log into both your accounts, it's quite simple. It'll ask you to the login there, and once you sign into your account, it'll show you this page here, link your EA account to Twitch. And as I said before, you can see you can only link your EA account to one Twitch account in its lifetime, so make sure you're linking the right one. And down below you can see link accounts, and tap on link accounts and it'll get linked. So this way you can link Twitch to EA account. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.